Hi there, we are at the Expo Hall right now at Team 24 in Barcelona, and we're so excited to have Adaptavist here with us, so thank you. Do you mind introducing yourself for us?
Yes, of course. I'm Abby. I'm the Customer Success Manager for our Kolekti brand. So we're part of the Adaptavist group, but we're one of the business units, and we make Confluence plugins.
Beautiful, and I know today we're actually going to be discussing one of those plugins. Do you mind giving us some more details?
Yeah, so content formatting macros for Confluence is our oldest one. It's 16 years old if we take it back to DC. So DC and cloud, and yeah,
Beautiful.
been around for a long time.
And do you have any favorite features of content formatting?
Yeah, so it's a toolkit. So you get 14, 15 macros in there. Customers would say it's tabs. Everybody loves tabs. My personal favorite is the banner because I quite like the fact it's got our AI embedded in there as well. And my ultimate favorite, because I'm a bit of a lazy creator, is our new Smart Designer, which is where the AI will create the macros for you.
Awesome. Well, I would be curious to see that in action if you don't mind sharing a little bit demo.
So this is our homepage within the app. So it does show you what's new. We got Smart Designer on there. So we've got our newest templates in here as well. So if you're like me and you lack that creative ability to go in and just create from a blank page, we do have under templates over 20 plus that you can use. And if I just jump in on this one, so what you will see here, I'm going to give that a title. So this is a bit of an overview. So obviously you would have a look how it could be, and then we can just delete that out if we don't want it. And this would be our beginning of our page. So if you have a look here, this is my favorite, the banner. So I think it's a bit like having a little slideshow. So you can scroll through. If we wanted to go and edit, so all our macros have the same editor. So there's the AI. If this hadn't been already created, we could just go in and give it a prompt. So if you can see, here's your body. So we would just go in and you can easily put in your own details. So scroll through. If you didn't like the picture, you've got pixels. You can go in and choose your own. You can upload. So nice and simple. And then you can just go through. If you're happy, you'd save. And then if you scroll through, you can see here we've created ones with background macro. So great for creating panels and adding whatever you want in there, including any Atlassian macros can be added in. And then we've got, these are our cards. So they come in different flavors. We'll go and have a look here. Then you can see we've gone for the ones with no pictures, but if you change them, you could have pictures on top. Oh, nice and flexible. And they're a bit like big buttons. So behind them, you can add links. So if we were to click on that one, you could connect that to a Confluence page. You could collect it to a website, anything else. So it directs people to where you need them to. So we'll turn that into a pictured one. And then at the end, if you're happy, you could just publish that. So that'd be how you design on that side. If you wanted a bit more, let me think what I got on here. So if you'd already created a page and you just wanted to come in here and let's say give it a bit of jazz, then we've got a Smart Designer, little wand. If we click on this, it will take you in. And on this one, all we would need to do is highlight. We would click.
Oh, and this is the AI part.
So this is the magic, as they say. And what it's done here, so it's automatically said we can use cards, or we could go for my favourite, the banner. And it's using the AI to add a bit of content for you, but it's also so you can see how it would look. So, you can even put it in a tab. So rather than having to copy and paste and go through all the different macros, it just gives you this easy, quick way to do. And if I was to go back and go, actually, I think cards looks the best, I could still edit. So I've still got the control. I could either replace or highlighted, add to the page, or I could go in and edit and kind of jazz. But if I was happy, I could just click that and it would add the page for me.
That is really cool. That's a handy feature. The AI, it's like amazing to see the enhancements.
So that's kind of where it's going with content formatting, but we still have the traditional way as well. So if you can't have AI, you can just switch that off and use them as you do normally.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here and giving us an overview. And I know it's day one of the event, but I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you around.
Thank you. Lovely to meet you.
You too.